Hi everyone, it's me, Lam Stefan. Welcome back to my channel. At if bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka if may mga bago akong uploads. So before we start with our video, please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Yes, so that we can get connected there, okay? For today's video guys is I'm gonna be doing a Watsons Haul na naman. Yes, because you know naman I'm really a loyal customer dyan sa Watsons. Okay, like every month bumibili ako ng mga kinakailangan ko sa aking pang araw-araw na mga products. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get started.
Calico.
So the first product is the cotton balls. Yes, I bought this for only 50 pesos. Okay, 150 na cotton balls na siya, right? So we really need this kapag nag-a-apply tayo ng toner or even yung mga liquid na mga products. Yes, we really need this talaga. And matagal din naman to siyang maubos, so okay na rin for its price. Yeah. So the second product is my ever favorite Gluta-C Intense Whitening Toner. Yes, I bought this for only 109 pesos. Okay, so if hindi nyo pa nakita yung review ko about this product, you can go check it out on my channel. Thank you. Third product is the Garnier Cleansing Water. Yes, this is for only 99 pesos. Okay, so this removes makeup, cleanses, and mattifies. No rinse off. So pwede nyo to siya gamitin for face, eyes, and lips. Okay, para lang siyang tubig talaga guys. It removes makeup if may mga makeup kayo. So ito muna ang gagamitin nyo to remove it. So ayan, this is really helpful talaga. So the fourth product that we have is the Swish Breath Spray. Yes, I need it talaga guys, as in kasi this is really helpful kapag lumalabas kayo and then after you eat, wala naman siguro kayong time mag-toothbrush sa restaurant or anywhere. So ito lang yung ginagamit ko after I eat. Okay, so maganda din naman siya kasi matagal din siyang maubos kasi nakalagay din dito is last up to 100 sprays. Yes, so alcohol free siya and sugar free. Yes, ayan. And this is only for 60 pesos. Yes, okay na rin siya guys, 60 pesos. So the fifth product is the Everbilena BB cream. Yes, this is the Oriental. Yung isa nito is natural, yung anti-wrinkles. Ito siya is whitening. Ayan, nakalagay dyan guys, it's whitening. Ito yung ginagamit ko as a substitute for my foundation. Okay, hindi kasi ako nagpa-foundation, so ito yung ginagamit ko. This is only for 220 pesos. Yan guys, and matagal din talaga siyang maubos. It lasts for about ilang months pa bago siya maubos kasi konti lang naman dapat ang nilalagay nyo dito. Okay, so yan, maganda talaga to siya guys. So I'm gonna show to you what the bottle looks like. Okay, ayan siya guys, and matagal din talaga siyang maubos kahit medyo maliit lang yung bottle niya, pero matagal siyang maubos kasi when you apply this, madali siyang mag-spread sa ating skin. Okay, and this is the Oriental. As I've said, meron ding natural nito, yung anti-wrinkles. Okay, ito siya is whitening. So ayan. So our last product is the Belo Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. Ayan, it has an SPF 50. So actually guys, tatlo talaga yung bottles nito. Meron nito, ito Belo Tinted Sunscreen, SPF 50 din, and then ito yung currently na ginagamit ko, which is the Sun Expert SPF 40 lang siya. So bago ko lang to nabili, so I'm just gonna have to try it out soon. I'm gonna have to make a review about this one soon, kung anong effect niya if nakaka-whiten ba talaga siya, okay? Maganda siya kasi whitening na siya, tapos meron na siyang sunscreen, okay? Tapos ito naman, this is tinted. Para na siyang substitute for BB cream, okay? Tapos may SPF 50 na siya. So, yes. So, currently ito kasi yung ginagamit ko, which is only for SPF 40. So, yeah. So, the price of this whitening sunscreen is, wait guys, for only 375 pesos, okay? Ayan. So, ayan guys. So, lahat na nabili ko is total of 914 pesos. So, okay na rin siya kasi mga pangangailangan din naman natin to sa ating skin. So, this is all worth it din naman kahit ganun kalaki yung amount. Okay na rin siya. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my Watsons haul, okay? So, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka if may mga bago akong uploads, okay? Thank you! Bye!